Hi children, welcome back. In the previous part, we discussed about the different systems in the two parts, right? Now, the actual lesson that is bones and muscles, right? Bones and muscles, right? So here, today we are going to discuss about the bone and muscle, right? The first one that is bone. What do you know about the word bone? Hadiya. Do you have bones in your body? Very good, right? Every one of us, we have bones, right? That is strong bones. Why? Because daily you are drinking milk and eating egg, right? So that your bones are very strong. Okay. Here, bones. What do you think that bones are present in our body? Why? Why they are present in our body? Right? What is the use of that bone? Do you know? Very good, right? So bones, they make the body frame, the framework of our body, right? We are in this structure, our body is in this structure. हम जैसा है वैसा दिख रहे देखो. It is because of bones, right? So where are they? Inside our body. We are not able to see them outside, right? So they are present inside our body. That's why the bone framework is called as endoskeleton. Say endoskeleton. Skeleton is nothing but कंकाल. Endoskeleton अपना कंकाल अपना शरीर के अंदर है, बाहर नहीं, right? So that's why it is called as endoskeleton, right? So endoskeleton, it makes the framework of our body, right? And here in our body, the bones, the hardest part present in our body, the bones, they are 206 in number. 206 in number. When we are in the mother womb, जब आप माँ के पेट में रहते हैं ना, the near about 350 bones are there, and 350 reduces to 206 after the birth, right? Why? Because some bones, they get joined together and the number is decreased to 206, right? So here these 206 bones are arranged here and there in our body, and it made the body framework, and it involves in movement, right? So let us see what kind of bones are present in our body and where do they present, right? So here bones are two types: hard bone, smooth bone. Hard bone, smooth bone. Smooth bone is also called cartilage. We'll discuss later. So let us come to hard bone, right? So hard bone, it is present in all our body parts, and mainly the parts are skull, coffery, kapal, rib cage, hip bone, backbone, and what you call limb bones. These are the main bones that are present in our body: skull bone, rib cage, hip bone, backbone, and limb bone, right? So one by one we'll discuss. Before that, actually we need to know what is bone, right? Bone is the hard material that is made up of phosphorus and calcium. Phosphorus and calcium. Here, outside, the bone is soft and strong. Soft and strong. Outside. Whereas, inner side, if you look into the bone, the inside of the bone, it is spongy and smooth. Spongy and smooth. Right? Very delicate material is present inside, and a hard material with soft corners. The edges are very soft, right? They are outside, and spongy and smooth inside, right? So inside the smooth spongy one is called as bone marrow. It is called bone marrow. इसे क्या कहते हैं? Bone marrow. I have seen Krish movie. I think Krish 3. In that, he requires the bone marrow of the what you call hero, right? So here bone marrow, it is the hollow portion or inner portion of the bone. What is the use of this bone marrow? Here in the bone marrow there is production of cells. What cells? Blood cells. So blood is produced by bone marrow. In our body, blood cells are produced by bone marrow. So remember, if you are fit and strong and healthy bones, then there is a production of happy blood cells, then you will be stronger enough, right? If you don't drink milk, if you don't eat eggs, meat, fish or vegetable, if you are vegetarian, pulses, right, calcium giving material like banana and spinach, all you should eat together, means in your regular life, to make your bones healthy, right? So definitely, why? Because bone produce blood, bone marrow, right? In higher classes you are going to know what is the bone marrow and how do they produce, right? So here this is about the structure of bone. And now come to types of bones. That is first one, skull bone, right? So copri, in the kankal, the first one is the copri, right? So here it is the skull, here it is skull, right? Here it is skull. See how nice he is looking, right? Skull. And it is lower jaw. It is lower jaw, right? And here it is neck bones, right? And it is collar bone or shoulder bone, and it contains shoulder blade here, and it also contains a joint called ball and socket. We will discuss in further classes. So these are the four limbs. These are four limbs. Right? And here it is the sternum, the middle bone, sternum, and these are the rib bones. These are rib bones. And back side it is backbone. Back side it is backbone. Right? Backbone is attached to hip bone. Backbone is attached to hip bone. It is hip bone. Right? And to the hip bone there is presence of leg bone. What is this finally? It is concave, right? Okay, right? So first one, skull, rib cage, hip bone, backbone, and limb bones, right? So first one, skull. Here, skull contain 8 flat bones, 8 flat bones, right? And contain 8 flat bones. Wait, 8 flat bones, and the face bones and jaw bones are 13 in number. 13 face and jaw bones, right? So here total how much? 21 bone, 21 to 22 bones are present in the skull. They are present in skull. Here no bone can able to move in the skull. Skull में खोपड़ी में कई बोन्स रहते हैं, वो जॉइंटेड रहते हैं, फिर भी वो हिलता नहीं. Only one and only bone can able to move, that is lower jaw bone. Lower jaw bone. Right? Try to move other bones, they won't move. Only lower jaw bone will move in your body. Right? So this is about skull. And come to rib cage. Rib cage, it contains 12 pairs of bones. 12 pairs of bones, and this out of 12 pairs, 10 pairs are attached to the middle strong bone, this bone, and this bone is called sternum. In higher classes you are going to learn more about that. So sir, you are telling it is 12 pairs, then what about the two more pairs? These two pairs, they won't touch the sternum, they touch the backbone. Backside they touch the backbone. Front side sternum, backside backbone. Front side sternum, backside backbone. So whatever the pairs, two pairs that are not touching the sternum, they are called floating ribs. Floating ribs. Floating ribs. Right? So what is the use of rib cage? It is going to protect the lungs, heart, right? Even kidneys. Right? They are mainly lungs and heart are protected here in the chest. Lungs and heart are protected by the rib cage. And copri beja, right? Brain will be protected by the copri, right? And next, come to backbone. Backbone contains 33 small bones. Backbone contains 33 small bones, and these 33 small bones are called vertebrae. Sorry. They are called vertebrae. They are called vertebrae, and collectively we call it as vertebral column. Vertebral column, because 33 tiny bones they form backbone. In between them there is a cartilage which make us to bend or stand, to move here and there, right? So vertebrae. Each and every bone is called vertebrae, and it's totally called vertebral column. From the neck it starts, right, and ends with the hip, right? So here hip bone. Hip bone is the stronger bone that is present in our body, where the lower limbs are attached. Means legs are attached to the hip. Legs are attached to hip, and leg bones they contain femur, right? Tibia, fibula, okay, and here hand contain humerus, right, and ulnar, as well as radius, right? So like this the bones are arranged in our kanka, right? So we'll learn more about the muscles and bones, how do they work in the further classes.